Here you see the black screen rock star.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open bottles on and on and on and on and caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah.
And I think it's safe to say that we can all agree that Ken has a lot of problems. He's riddled with problems. But his biggest problem that he's facing right at the moment is he's trying to throw stuff against the wall to make shit stick. Okay? That's it. He's tried a little bit of this, a little bit of that, even got into the colored screens. He's a nail half in guy. Not even half in. He just starts the nail and then it falls. He can't finish anything, and he changes his strategy, if that's what you want to call it. He changes his strategy more than most of us change underwear. Definitely more than he changes underwear. But, you know, his biggest problem is he's just trying to find something to stick. It's like this global challenge. But what he forgets is the things that Ken doesn't tell you. What he forgot to tell you is that I offered to come to Allentown to challenge him locally, not globally, locally, face to face, teeth to gums, and I was going to go head to head. I figured me and Kelly would fly up, we'd have a nice little lunch, we would go to one of his 60 fights, and we would do a challenge there with him. He record it, I record it, and then we would annihilate his butt, have a little dinner, and then fly back home. All happy and sassy. But what did Ken do? How did he respond? He had to walk it out and walk it out and walk it out. That's right. He had to go to his little downtown Allentown spot, get him a free little metal table there, set his Cheez-Its down on it, and start talking about how it was not worth his time. It's worth your time to spend hours per day ranting and raving, talking a bunch of smack talk, trying to hurt people, but not to face a challenge.